2018 lenders. A bunch of these people asked who's lending on multifamily, and I kept seeing these names. These guys had the most deals that I saw in under 50 units. Umpqua, Chase, Opus, Arbor, First Republic, Luther Burbank, and First Ready Capital. Those are the ones that I keep seeing over and over again. What these guys have in common is these are all program lenders. And I'll post some of the video here online for you guys and send you some of the information. I'll summarize it, so feel free to take photos or I'll disseminate it. The commonality is these are all program lenders. So what does it mean if they're program lenders? Well, has anybody ever called up a bank and said, hey, I'm wanting to buy a property, refinance a property, and they say, great, here's our program. We do blank percent loan to value, 75% loan to value, we'll do X percent interest rate in a 5-year fixed rate term. Have you heard that before?
Yes.
Okay, the other experience is a non-program lender where you call them up and say, hey, will you lend on this property that I'm buying? And they'll say, great, send me your tax returns and the financials and we'll go through underwriting and in 2 months we'll tell you if we can do the deal or not. That's a non-program lender. Those have really fallen by the wayside for apartment deals. So these program lenders, you call them up, and the one thing that these guys have in common is they'll tell you in 5 minutes what they can do on the deal. And this market is very difficult to wait 2 months to find out if you have a deal or not. I mean, how can you make an offer, a competitive offer? So what does this mean? We'll do a little bit quick of analysis. If you're selling a property and through your broker you ask the buyer, hey, who's your lender? And they say somebody on this list, that's probably a really good sign. If they say somebody who's not a program lender, then what you know there is we don't really know if you've got a deal until the end of the transaction. Okay. Here's what we talked about before, the buyer's location for 100 plus units. 14 of the 23 in California, 5 from New York. 2 from Washington, the Seattle, 1 from Georgia, 1 from Colorado, and you'll notice that there's 0 from Oregon. So no Oregon buyers for 100 plus units. So what does that mean? It means a big institutionalized money is coming to the Oregon market to find the transactions that are larger for their trust.